surrender. To be up after midnight and to go to bed then is to go to bed betimes. And Deluculo Sir Jerry, thou knowest.
Nay, my trunks, I know not. But I know to be up late is to be up late.
A false conclusion. I hate it as an unfilled can. To be up after midnight and to go to bed then is to go to bed early. So that to be up after midnight to go to bed is to go to bed betimes. Does not our life consist of the four elements?
Faith, so they say. But I think rather consists of eating and drinking.
Thou art a scholar. Let us therefore eat and drink. A stoup of wine, Mariah.
Here comes the fool of faith.
How now, dear hearts? Did you never not see the picture of we three?
Welcome, ass. Now let's have a catch.
By my troth, the fool has an excellent voice. I'd rather have 40 shilling than such a leg, yet so sweet a voice to sing as the fool has. In sooth, thou wast a very gracious fooling last night. 'Twas very good of faith I sent thee sixpence. Has it?
I did it because thy gratitude for Malvolio's nose is no whipstock.
Excellent. Why, this is the best fooling. When all is done, now, a song.
Come on, there's sixpence for you. Let's have a song.
Would you a love song or a song of good life?
A love song, a love song.
I care not for good life.
Oh, mistress mine, where are you roaming? Oh, stay and hear your true love's coming, that can sing both high and low. Dream no further, pretty sweetie, journey's ending, lovers meeting. Every wise man's song doth know.
Excellent. Good, faith.
Good. Good.
What is love? 'Tis not hereafter. Oh, present love hath present laughter. What's to come is still unsure. In delay there lies no plenty. Then come kiss me, sweet and 20. Youth's the stuff 'twill not endure.
Upliftless voices, I am true knight.
Contagious breath.
Very, very sweet and contagious of faith.
To hear by the nose it is false and contagion. But shall we make the welcome dance indeed? Shall we rouse the night owl in a catch that will draw 3 souls out of 1 weaver? Shall we do that?
And do you love me? Well, let's do it. I am a dog and a catch.
Our lady, sir, and some dogs will catch well.
Most certain. Let our catch be thou knave.
Hold thy peace, thou knave knight. I should be constrained as to call thee knave knight.
'Twas not the first and one has been constrained to call me knave. Fully begins, hold thy
I
peace.
shall never begin if I hold my peace.
Very good of faith. Come, begin.
Hold thy peace, hold thy peace, hold thy peace, hold thy peace.
Thou knave, thou knave.
Oh, Madam Wellington, you keep here! If my lady has not called the first steward Malvolio and bid him turn you out of doors, never trust me.
My ladies, I get saying, we are politicians, probably the like a ram, with 3 merry men we. I'm not like consanguineous, am I? Not of her blood, Tilly Valley lady. There dwells a man in Babylon, lady, lady.
Beshrew me, the knight's an admirable fooling.
He does well enough if he be disposed to, and so do I too. He does it with a better grace, but I do it more natural.
On the 12th day of December, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings.
4 calling birds, 3.
My masters, Are you mad? Or what are you? Have you no wit, manners, nor honesty? The diablo like tinkers at this time of night. Do you make an alehouse out of my lady's house? Do you squeak out your coitus catches with no mitigation or remorse of voice? Is there no respect in place, persons, nor time in you?
We did keep time, sir. And our catches back up.
Sir Toby, I must be round with you. My lady bade me tell you that though she harbors you as her kinsman, she's nothing allied to your disorders. If you can separate yourself from your misdemeanors, you are welcome to the house. If not, and it will please you to take leave of her, she's very willing to bid you farewell.
Farewell, dear heart, since I must needs be gone.
Nay, good Sir Toby.
His eyes do show his days are almost done.
And
But-
even so,
But I will never die.
Sir Toby, there you lie.
this is much credit to you.
Shall I bid him go and spare not?
Oh, no, 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 you dare not.
Shall I bid him go?
And what if you do?
Shall I bid him go and spare not?
Oh, no, 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 you dare not.
Out of tune, sir, ye lie. Art any more than a steward? Dost thou think because thou art virtuous there shall be no more cakes and ale?
Yes, and by Saint Anne, ginger shall be hot in the mouth, too.
Thou art the right. Go, sir. Rub your chain with crumbs. A stoop of wine, rye.
Mistress Mary, if you prize my lady's favor anything more than contempt, you would not give means for this uncivil rule. She shall know of it by this hand.
Go shake your ears!
Twere there ever a goodest deed to drink when a man's a hungry? To challenge him in the field, and then to break a promise with him just to make a fool out of him?
Do it, knight. I'll write thee a challenge, or I'll deliver thy indignation by word of mouth.
Sweet Sir Toby, be patient for tonight. Since the youth of the Count was today with thy lady, she is much of quiet. As for Monsieur Malvolio, let me alone with him. If I do not go into a neighbor to make him a common recreation, do not think that I have wit enough to lie straight in my bed. I know I can do it.
Possess us, possess us. Tell us something of it.
Marry, sir, sometimes he is a bit of a Puritan.
Oh, if I thought I would have beat him like a dog!
What for being a Puritan? Thy exquisite reason, dear knight.
I have no exquisite reason, but I have reason good enough.
The devil a Puritan that he is, or anything constantly but a time pleaser. An affectionate ass who constate without book and utters it by great swards, the best persuaded of himself so grand as he thinks with excellencies, that it is his grounds of faith that all that look upon him love him, and on that vice in him will my revenge find notable cause to work.
What wilt thou do?
I will drop in his way some obscure epistles of love, wherein by the color of his beard, the shape of his leg, the matter of his gait, the expression of his eye, forehead, complexion, he will find himself most feelingly personated. I can write very much like my lady, your niece. On a forgotten matter, we can hardly make distinction of our hands.
Excellent. I smell a device.
I have it in my nose, too.
He shall think by the letters that thou wilt drop that they are from my niece and that she's in love with
My
him.
purpose is indeed a horse of that color.
Your horse would not make him an ass.
Ass I doubt
That
not.
would be admirable.
Most but girl, I warned you, I know my physic will work with him. I will plant you two, and let the fool make a third. Where he finds the letter, observe his construction of it. For this night to bed, and dream on the event. Farewell.
Good night, Penthesilea.
Before me, she's a good wench.
She's a beagle, true bred, and one that adores me. What of that?
You know, I was once the dark too.
Let's to bed, knight. Thou hadst need send for more money.
If I cannot recover your niece, I am foul way out.
Send for more money, knight. If thou hast her not of the end, call me cut.
If I cannot do it, never trust me. Take it how you will.
Come, come. I'll go burn some sack. 'Tis too late to go to bed now. Come, knight. Come, knight.